Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style. Today we are going to talk about daily stock market update and we will figure out is it still bullish trend and what's going on with the stock market world. Please subscribe for all my channels and click like button to support YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Let's move to VBull. If you want to learn more about VBull style, VBull setup, just go to the description and there is the link about VBull setup and other links about all my trainings. Okay, let's talk about green day, bullish day for all around the world. All indexes bullish, all indexes green. Nice. Dow Jones, you see the Nasdaq 2% up, SPY 1.2% up, and Dow Jones positive 0.76% up. Beautiful green day. Let's move to charts. Let's move to charts and let's start from dollar daily time frame. Let me quickly mention. Let me quickly tell you about my setup. I have moving averages, MA 200 white line, purple line MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, and green line MA 5. MACD indicator, green line, red line is a signal line, RSI same setup, red line is signal line, and green is RSI line. Also oscillator red, it's a bearish, green is a bullish. Let's start the dollar DXY dollar for daily time frame. It is still below all moving averages, negative day for dollar. But it has bullish divergences, right? I already mentioned price action downtrend, but MACD is uptrend, RSI uptrend, also oscillator uptrend. MACD ready for bullish crossover, RSI still all red, but ready to change direction. Let's see when it changes direction, but it's building bullish divergences, multiple bullish divergences. Okay, let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours for dollar. It's bearish, but that's what it's daily it's a bearish, it's a bullish for indexes. 4 hours, it's already changed direction. It did bullish crossover on MACD. MA5 didn't confirm yet bullish crossover. RSI already bullish crossover and also oscillator bullish. 4 hours, bullish signal on all indicators, right? Except the moving averages. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour, it's bearish. 1 hour, it's bearish. It's actually it's not on the MA5. It's bearish. It did bearish crossover. On the MACD, it's ready for bearish crossover and it didn't conform. On the RSI, didn't conform. Still kind of bullish. On also oscillator, still kind of bullish. Only one indicator bearish, moving averages. Okay, it means still bullish. It's a bearish for market. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's kind of disconnected. It's kind of disconnected from indexes, right? 1 hour, 4 hours, let's say. 4 hours, it's a bullish already, right? It means it's a bearish for market, but market is bullish. It's disconnected, and we will do summary today. Look like the same with weeks. We will talk about it today. Let's move to Apple. Apple daily. Apple daily, bullish, MACD bullish, RSI bullish, also oscillator bullish, MA5 did bullish crossover over 50, last bar close about the 50. It's a bullish trend, beautiful. Bullish trend for Apple daily. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours for Apple. Same, bullish trend on the MACD, on RSI, and also oscillator. RSI is over 70 yellow line, 70 is overbought territory. RSI now is in overbought territory, and previous bar touched the MA 200. That's the expected trend, because you remember previously it touched the MA200 and rejected from MA200. Even close above the MA200 and was rejected and came back. It did it several times. It's absolutely possible that it will do it again. It will reject it from this level, it will go back to connect to MA20. Especially, yeah, we have, let me remove it change direction. Yeah, it's a price action uptrend, right? And on the histogram, it's a downtrend. Histogram, on histogram, it's a downtrend. Price action, I'm sorry, volume. Yeah, today's kind of low volume, it's decreasing, right? We move up on low volume. Last bar actually low. Yeah, the previous bar was kind of high. Oscillator is still bullish, but RSI and RSI and MACD bearish. I'm sorry, bullish also. Yeah, all indicators bullish. I'm sorry, all indicators bullish. Apple 4 hours still bullish. Daily bullish, 4 hours bullish, and 1 hour it is bullish also. Only also oscillator change direction color to red. Still bullish. Volume is decreasing. That's divergence. Bullish trend for Apple on all time frames. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla daily. Tesla daily, bullish trend on MACD, on RSI and awesome oscillator, MA5 did bullish crossover. Bullish trend daily for Tesla. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, bullish trend on the MACD for Tesla, bullish trend on RSI and awesome oscillator. Bullish trend on all indicators in 4 hours. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour bullish trend on all indicators also. RSI in overbought territory. It was it was 82. It's overbought territory. Last bar close above all moving averages. It's a bullish trend. MA20 did bullish crossover. It's a bullish. MA550 and 100. It's an uptrend. It's a bullish trend. Bullish trend on 1 hour for Tesla. Good, great job. Let's move to Qs. Qs daily. Qs daily. It touched the trend line, right? Let me show you. It's a trend line. It's a trend line, yeah, daily trend line from the top. This one blue line, it's from the top. We have several gaps, right? Today it closed above this trend line. It didn't close before, it never closed above this line. It never closed before above this line, but today it did. It's a good positive. But it's still, yeah. And looks like it wants to touch the MA200 white line. It's a MA200. It's kind of parallel to the trend line, to the market trend line. Let me continue to zoom it. I will show it to you from the top. You see how it, from the top, MA200 and the trend line, and kind of in the MA200 over here just change direction, and now it's a similar like trend line. And that's what maybe we will observe. The price action will touch the MA200 and it will change direction to bearish. That's what we can get. Volume is kind of average, and let's see. I think it will touch the MA200 and will bounce and will be rejected from it. Maybe it will close this gap. Who knows? Everything possible. Bullish trend on all indicators daily. Let's move to 4 hours for Nasdaq. 4 hours for Nasdaq. bullish trend, it closed above all moving averages. It's kind of far from 820, but the 820 did bullish crossover over 200 on 4 hours. It is bullish trend. Some bearish divergences on the awesome oscillator, on the histogram MACD bearish divergences. Bullish trend on all indicators so far on 4 hours. 1 hour, it is still bullish, but awesome oscillator changed direction already to red, to bearish. RSI in overbought territory. It is on the overbought territory. Let's move to VXN. VXN volatility index for Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq was up today 2%. VIX also was up a little bit, just 0.3%, but 0.30%, but it's not what we expected. It should be opposite. It should be today opposite minus, I don't know, minus 5, 6, 7%, maybe 10%. Looks like investors, they do not believe for this bull run. They still worry about that market will change direction to bearish. That's what we see from the volatility index. On daily, it's still bearish. It means it's bullish for Qs. 4 hours, it changed direction to bullish. On the moving averages, on MACD, it's still kind of mixed mode 50-50. And on 1 hour, it's still it's a bullish. On 1 hour, it's a bullish. It means market should go bearish. Qs should go bearish. Let's move to SPY. SPY daily time frame. Let's see. SPY touched the general market trend line, right? This is blue line. It's a trend line from the top, and it touched it several times, right? And it touched today again, and it can be resistant. It can be resistant from this level. We'll see. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, and 10 did bullish crossover over 200. It's kind of very mixed mode, right? Very mixed mode. MACD is still green, still bullish trend. Still bullish trend. Let's move it to RSI bullish, awesome oscillator bullish. All indicators still bullish on daily time frame for SPY. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, that's what we observed. It touched the trend line, and it closed below it. MACD, and definitely on the MACD, we have bearish divergences on 4 hours, right? The price action is uptrend, and on MACD we have downtrend, right? On MACD it's a downtrend. Downtrend with bullish MACD, bullish crossover, bullish trend on all indicators. Bullish trend on all indicators with bearish divergences. On multiple indicators. On SPY for 4 hours, let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour for SPY. 1 hour for SPY, similar story, right? It's let's see. It's bearish divergence. Bullish trend, still bullish signal on all indicators except awesome oscillator. But on the price action, it's still on the price action it's uptrend. Sorry. It's uptrend. Like this, right? It's uptrend direction. Uptrend direction. On the MACD, it's a downtrend direction. On RSI, downtrend direction. On awesome oscillator, downtrend direction. That's what we have, right? Similar here. It's kind of flat. On on downtrend direction on the awesome oscillator. Bearish divergences in 1 hour, it wants to change direction to bearish. On SPY, it wants to change direction to bearish. Let's move to VIX. Similar, SPY was up today. VIX was just little down, just little bit 0.20 down, just little bit negative. It should be like, I don't know, like 2-3-5% negative. It means investors, they don't trust this market. They don't sell VIX. They don't sell VIX. They are buying VIX. They're buying VIX. They're expecting market to change direction and VIX will spike. That's what it says. Let's move to VIX. Let's see VIX daily. VIX daily, changing direction to bullish on daily. Changing direction to bullish on all indicators. It means it will be bearish for SPY. Let's move to 4 hours. It's already bullish. It should be bearish for SPY. But SPY, still mixed mode. MACD is bullish. RSI, no. Awesome oscillator, no. MA5, just ready for bearish crossover. It's mixed, right? On 1 hour, it was bearish. Now it's kind of bullish. It's bullish. MA5 did bullish crossover over 50. MACD ready for bullish crossover. RSI bullish. It's a bearish for SPY. Okay. That's what we have. VIX is very strong. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones daily. Dow Jones daily also is below the trend line. This is trend line from the top. It's the weakest. Dow Jones is weakest. It didn't touch today trend line. It did touch before, and it was rejected each time from the trend line. But today it didn't touch it. On MACD still bearish. On RSI still bearish. Awesome oscillator still bearish. On daily time frame still bearish. Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours also bearish. On MACD bearish. Only on MACD bearish, but on the moving averages it did bullish. Actually, no, it didn't confirm bullish crossover over 10, but it's ready for it. On awesome oscillator, it's a bullish. On RSI, bullish mix mode, 50-50. That's what we don't like. We like when all indicators align in the same trend. When some indicator, like here, like 50-50, it's not a full confirmation, right? On 1 hour, Dow Jones 1 hour, bullish direction on all indicators on 1 hour. It touched MA50, blue line is MA50, and it looks like it was rejected from MA50, and it wants to go lower and it will do bearish crossover. So far, it's still bullish on all indicators on 1 hour. Let's move to VXD. VXD is the same. It's a it's a positive 0.69, 0.70, right? 0.70. Dow Jones also bullish, like 0.70%, and VXD bullish 0.70%. It's like I mentioned before. It's not. Investors do not buy, they do not sell protection. They still buying protection. On daily time frame, ready for bullish. It's a bullish on daily time frame. It should be, it's ready for bearish. It's ready for Dow. Bullish for VXD, bearish for Dow. 4 hours. Bullish also on all indicators, bearish for Dow. And 1 hour. 1 hour, it's bullish and it's bearish for Dow. Let's move to IWM. IWM daily. IWM daily, bullish trend on all indicators. It's a bearish for, it's a bullish for on daily time frame on all indicators. And the last bar close about the trend line. This is the trend line from the top. IWM Russell 2000 is strong index. It closed like Nasdaq. It closed about the trend line from the top. It is strong and positive, bullish trend. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours it was bearish and it changed direction to bullish. It has bearish divergences, right? If we take from here, it's kind of flat. Price action is flat. The MACD is downtrend, RSI downtrend, and RSI downtrend, and also oscillator downtrend. It is kind of bearish divergences on 4 hours. 1 hour bullish trend on 1 hour on all indicators with bearish divergences, right? The price action, it's very close to the top. Not yet, but huge divergence on the MACD, on RSI, huge divergence. On also oscillator, huge divergence. That's all. Let me add also Alibaba group. Let me add it to YouTube. Actually, it was, it is on top now. Let me move it. And let's check Baba. Daily time frame for Baba. MA5 wants to do bearish crossover, a lot of gaps. It left a lot of gaps below, and it's overbought on RSI, and oscillator already changed to bearish. RSI is overbought with bearish divergences, ready to for bearish trend. Let me show you the price action is uptrend. On RSI, it's a downtrend on RSI line. Similar on the oscillator, downtrend direction here, and same downtrend direction on histogram. No, on MACD no, and another divergence on the volume. Multiple divergences on all indicators for Baba on daily time frame. It definitely wants to go bearish. And 4 hours, let's say 4 hours, similar story. Similar story in the 4 hours, it's bearish divergences on all indicators, and bearish trend already switched to bearish trend also, and even MACD lines also bearish divergences. It's a bearish trend. It wants to go bearish. Even price goes up, but it's ready for bearish divergences. And same on the volume, right? Bearish trend on all indicators. Bearish divergence and bearish trend on all indicators. Let's check 1 hour. Sorry that these lines they do not stay on the same level. Bearish divergences on 1 hour also. The same on RSI everywhere, right? RSI it was overbought. Awesome oscillator also, all indicators with bearish divergences. On the awesome oscillator, similar story. Bearish divergences on all indicators. Baba wants to go down because it wants to go down, close these gaps, the multiple gaps below, especially these huge gaps. Looks like it will go down at least to touch the MA 200. That's what we observe. Let's do summary. All indexes in the bullish mode. They all in the bullish mode. They close about trend line. Except Dow Jones. Dow Jones the weakest index. The strongest Qs. Bullish trend on all indicators. and bullish trend on all time frames except Dow Jones. Dow Jones on 1 hour it's bullish, but on the 4 hours and daily it bearish. That's what we have with Dow Jones. That's all. Yeah, volatility indexes all kind of positive also. It's not expected. Like I said, investors, they do not sell volatility indexes. They're buying volatility index because they do not believe for this bull run. They believe this bull trap. It is a bull trap for the investors, and they're expecting market to have correction. That's all. Thank you so much. Let's move to my disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please read it. Thank you for watching Simple Trading Style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, cryptos. Please subscribe for all my channels. Please YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.